What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the Y-strap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go.
Oh my God.
What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here. We're back with another one. This is Georgia. What's kind of going on?
I'm having a lot of lower back pain
Okay.
due to working from home and sitting for long periods of time due to working from home. I also have an 8-month-old baby, so I'm carrying him around
Chasing
a lot.
kids around
Yes,
all the time.
and bending over and like getting him out of messes and stuff. So
Have you had this before?
no.
Not this bad, probably.
No.
Either. Okay, go ahead and stand up. Okay, we're just gonna have you bend down, touch your toes. You gotta go flat, low back. Okay, do you feel it when you go into flexion? Okay, then go into extension. How does that feel?
I don't feel it as much.
Okay.
Lower back.
Okay, then we're just gonna do cervical. So just neck, so rotation. How does that feel? Is anything going on in the neck, upper back area?
Just a little bit up here,
Okay.
like lower,
Okay.
like
In the
upper
trap
back
region,
side. Yeah.
like, okay. Stress and stuff. Okay. Do side to side. Okay.
I don't think I can extend
Yeah.
as much on this.
Definitely
I feel
not
it.
as much
Yeah.
right. Okay, and then just do cervical extension. So back with the neck. That's pretty good. And then flexion chin to your chest. That's pretty good too. Any pain when you do those?
No.
Okay. Hands in front of you like this. We're gonna go side to side. How do those feel when you do those?
This side hurts a
That
little
side.
bit.
Where does it bother you at?
Like more
Oh,
in
upper?
Yeah.
Okay. And then same thing but lateral bend. How does that feel?
Good.
Feel it in the low back? Feel it anywhere?
No.
It's alright? Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, go ahead and go face down. We're going to start with heat just to loosen up the muscles.
So you know what? I feel it more on this side.
Okay.
Now that when you're doing that.
Gotcha. Yeah, if you have any little pain or anything like that, just let me know as I'm poking around. Can you scoot down towards your feet though? There you go. Let those shoulders down in there. Yeah, this left side's a little more
Tense. It
yeah,
feels.
for
I
sure.
feel it.
It's like spasmed here.
Ooh.
Yeah, a lot of tightness still holding on in there. Let's put this over here. Okay, lift up onto your chin a little bit. Good.
Whew, that felt good.
That's a deep one. Okay, stay up onto your chin. Let your arms actually just hang down to the ground now. Perfect. Woo!
Ooh, I felt that one. Whew.
Same thing. Go up on your chin. Yep, perfect. Good.
How messed up do I feel?
What's
How
that?
messed up do I feel?
There's a lot of like tightness. It's like just not a lot of motion.
Where does the tightness come from? That's what I don't understand. I feel it. I
Everyday
definitely.
life, having 2 kids, chasing them around,
That whole thing.
working from home on a
Yes.
couch, all that stuff. Go ahead and flip on your back. We'll do your neck.
It's funny because I totally feel like that's my main feeling is like tight, you know.
Where does it come from?
No, not yet, baby.
Almost. We're almost there. Any headaches or anything like that?
Rarely.
Okay.
Nothing too crazy.
Nothing crazy. Okay. 2 little ones.
Oh,
running
yeah, I was
around.
just gonna say only when they give me ones. This side's definitely more.
Yeah. No, but no like tension headaches or anything.
No,
coming from the neck or anything. Good.
No, not at all.
Yeah, definitely some tightness in there. Let it just fall. Let it fall. There you go. Good.
Oof.
See here. Just let it fall. Let it fall. Got my finger too.
Double whammy.
Let it relax. There we go. Okay. Oh, a lot
Much
better.
better.
Yeah.
Much better.
Good. All right, cool. We're gonna go over there and do your low back.
It's funny because I can already feel like a difference.
Yeah. The neck one
So
is
much.
usually like the biggest.
Oh my god, biggest.
You just
like,
feel like a big relief, like
for sure.
instantly. We're gonna get you to roll on your side. A little bit of a right shoulder. It wasn't terrible. Bring it all the way to the edge. Take this one. Grab your elbow there.
Okay.
Much bit closer. Haven't dropped anyone yet. So first time for everything, though, right?
I won't judge.
Let this shoulder go. There you go. Let it rotate. Oh my gosh. That's all it needed was pressure. There you go. Then we're gonna flip your head down there.
I felt that and it felt great.
So we do the same thing, just the opposite. So bottom leg straight here. This one behind. There you go.
Okay. This one goes up here.
Yep. Come a little closer. Straighten that bottom leg out. There you go. Sorry if you kicked the wall.
No.
These are some fancy shoes.
Whew. I made Tom get them for me when I had the baby.
Jeez Louise.
Ooh. Whew.
Yeah, those hips were out bad.
Really?
Yeah.
That's probably where my pain was coming from?
Yes. That's all SI pain for sure.
Do you think that was from, like, birth, carrying around the weight?
It's definitely part of it.
Uh-huh.
I mean, healing from that, you're going to get some restriction and stuff.
Because I definitely gained more weight with him than I did with Penny.
Yeah.
And
Well, yeah,
I felt it
You got to
more.
think 9 months prior to birth, and then you have this huge trauma.
Right.
It's like, that's a lot on the body.
And for him, too, I carried more this way. So I feel like there was
Okay.
a lot more pressure on my
More
hips. Yeah.
Pulling your lumbar spine.
For sure, for sure.
Go ahead and here. Go ahead and go here, face up.
Mm-hmm.
Pop your shoes out.
I haven't gotten a
Are you
pedicure.
another
once.
no sock person?
Oh, God, no. I'm not. That's gross, isn't it?
It never wears socks. I'm like, oh my god. Drives me nuts.
Well, with these, they say you don't have to. So I was like, oh, okay.
Let her relax. This will help with the low back too.
Good.
There.
Oh, I felt that one.
Good. This one's a little more locked up. Let it relax all the way up into the hip. There it went.
There we go.
Okay, that's not good. Any knee pain, ankle pain, anything like that?
No. You know what? Sometimes in my ankle when I wake up in the morning.
Okay. There.
There we go.
That one or?
Both of them.
Both.
In the same spot.
Okay, oh, that released too. Just didn't get a pop. Okay, good. Go and put your shoes back on.
So it's like when I wake up, my ankles always crack.
Alright.
Every day.
You gotta think you're not weight bearing for like 8 hours or
Right.
so too, so.
Right.
things
True.
Tend to,
So they it's like all right here. Like right there.
okay.
So,
That's what I just adjusted, so
Perfect.
hopefully it'll move a little bit better for you.
I mean, I definitely feel it. Hi, Buns! Almost.
Almost. Alright, we're gonna bring you over here. You're gonna go on your back.
Okay.
Alright, scoot way towards the end. There you go. Perfect. And then let your legs just kind of relax down on it. There you go. And lift your head up.
Oh, I don't think I did this last
Pull
time.
this horsetail through.
Pull it?
No.
Oh, hold it.
I was talking about your.
Oh.
Let your head down. Just relax. Do a little traction first, okay?
Okay.
Just a little pull. Whatever's more comfortable, you can cross your hands over your stomach or leave them next to your side, doesn't matter. Okay? I have some nice artwork in the background of this one. It's just a child anatomy poster, that's all it is.
Beautiful. Colorful.
Okay, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And then just breathe normally. Just keep breathing. How'd that feel?
Good.
Okay. Now lift your head up. Alright, you can go ahead and get up. Alright, walk back and forth just right here a couple times.
I feel already so much more like limber.
Okay. Come stand right here. We're going to do kind of the same stuff before.
Okay.
So you're going to reach down, put your toes. How's that feel?
Good.
Okay. Any more pain there? Still
No.
Okay.
I'm just not stretched out, so I
Okay,
haven't done that in a
Go
while.
into extension. How do you feel?
Good.
Okay, let's do a range of motion, which it was already better when we checked it.
So much better.
Yeah.
I could feel it like.
And then go side to side because that was a little bit better. It's even at least.
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's it.
We did it!
That's it.
You did it!
I did it.
Woo!
I think you did more than me.
I feel so much better.
Good. Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the Y-strap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.